DRDO celebrates 64th Foundation Day on 1 January. Ashish Pandey appointed as Executive Director of Bank of Maharashtra. Australia will rename Espen Island to honor Queen Elizabeth on Platinum Jubilee. Centre approves Rs 9,544 crore fund under Jal Jeevan Mission for 315 water supply schemes in Jharkhand. Odisha government hikes the DA of government employees and pensioners by 3% on January 2022. Cochin shipyard hands over first electric boat to Kochi Metro Rail. Director General V.S. Pathania has been appointed 24th Chief of Indian Coast Guard. India won Under 19 Asia Cup with a record 8th title as they defeat Sri Lanka. S. Balachandran has been appointed next High Commissioner of India to Barbados. Union Minister for Education and Skill Development Dharmendra Pradhan launched 100-day reading campaign Padhe Bharat. V.K. Tripathi has been appointed as the Chairman and CEO of Railway Board. PM Modi laid the foundation stone of Major Dhyanchand Sports University at Meerut in Uttar Pradesh. Sanjay Singh has been appointed as Secretary of Ministry of Steel in New Delhi. The United States cut Ethiopia, Mali and Guinea from Africa duty-free trade program. Japan introduced a minibus look like world's first dual-mode vehicle in Kayo. The vehicle can run on roads as well as railway tracks. Anukriti Upadhyay won the Shushila Devi Award 2021. RBI notes Fino Payment Banks for international remittance business. Kalpana Chawla Science Research Centre was inaugurated by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh at Chandigarh University. Jammu and Kashmir Bank appoints Baldev Prakash as MD and CEO. PM Narendra Modi paid tributes to Rani Velu Nachiyar, the Shiv Ganga Queen in Tamil Nadu, on her birth anniversary on 3 January. France take over the presidency of the Council of the European Union on 1 January 2022. Pakistan's cricketer Mohammad Hafiz retired from international cricket. Media Trends founder Rohit Kumar honored with Bihar Vibhuti Samman. Sudan Prime Minister Abdallah Hamdok announced his resignation in January amid political crisis. Odisha topped in GST collection in 2021, records 43% growth rate. German scientists find 77 new species beneath Antarctic ice sleeves. Vinod Kanan took over as the Chief Executive Officer of Vistara Airlines. Shanghai opens longest driverless metro line in the world, 831 km network length. Vice President inaugurates two colleges in Kadmat and Androt Island in Lakshadweep. The 81st of All India Industrial Exhibition Numaish 2022 was inaugurated by Telangana Governor. Apple becomes first US company to hit 3 trillion market value. 4 January is observed as World Braille Day every year. Alka Mittal has been appointed first woman chairman and managing director. Vinny Mahajan, IAS officer, took charge as secretary in Jal Shakti Mission. Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan launched NEAT 3.0, means National Educational Alliance for Technological. India achieved its highest ever monthly exports of 37 billion USD in December 2021. Jharkhand government tie up with Indian School of Business to empower the state's forest economy. G. Ashok Kumar took the charge as Director General of National Mission for Clean Ganga. Indian Navy to host Exercise Milan 2022 with 46 nations in Vishakhapatnam from 25th Feb 2022. Germany takes over G7 presidency to host 2022 summit. PM Modi inaugurates 13 projects worth rupees 1850 crores in Imphal, Manipur. Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu unveiled a statue of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and inaugurated Atal Bihari Vajpayee Bhavan and Chandrasekhar Azad Hostel at Mahatma Gandhi International Hindi University. Indian Navy's 1971 Indo-Pak War veteran Vice Admiral S.H. Sharma died on January 3, 2022 at the age of 100. SBI makes online IMPS transactions up to 5 lakh rupees free. Renowned social worker Sindhutai Sapkal, known as Orphan Children's Mother, died. Captain Harpreet Chandi, an Indian origin British Sikh Army officer, became first Indian woman to trek solo to the South Pole. Himachal Pradesh became first state in the country to have 100% LPG gas coverage and smoke-free state. Army Braunschmidt, first woman to lead a nuclear carrier in US Navy. PM Modi inaugurated airport building in Agartala. Antigua and Barbuda becomes 102 country to join International Solar Alliance. International Solar Alliance launched by India and France in 2015. India's T.S. Trimurti, chair of UN Counter-Terrorism Committee on 5 January 2022. Deepak Kumar and A.K. Chaudhary have been appointed as new executive directors of RBI. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs launches Smart Cities and Academia towards Action and Research. Odisha's Ganjam district has declared itself a child marriage free district. Union Minister of State, Science and Technology Dr. Jitendra Singh launched the theme of National Science Day, Integrated Approach in Science and Technology for Sustainable Future. Odisha government and natural gas firm GAIL signed an MOU for cooperation in the production of eco-friendly fuel in the state. World Day for War Orphans is observed on 6 January every year. Punjab government has decided to give up rupees 102,000 as one-time internet allowance for higher educational institution students. Food Processing Industries Minister Pashupati Kumar Paras has launched 6 brands as part of One District One Product. Hero Future ties up with Omium to set up green hydrogen facilities in India, UK and Europe. Reliance Industries Limited has raised USD 4 billion in India's largest foreign currency bonds issue. Google acquired as Israel-based cybersecurity startup Simplify for $500 million. Ladakh celebrated Losar, the Tibetan New Year, on 3 January 2022. J.C. Chaudhary achieved the first Guinness World Record on numerology. CCEA Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs approves rupees 12,031 crores second phase of India's green energy corridor. India signed an MOU with Nepal to build a bridge over the Mahakali River at Dharchula in Uttarakhand. India signed MOU with Spain on cooperation and mutual assistance in custom matters. Union Minister of State, Science and Technology Dr. Jitendra Singh inaugurated India's first unique rock museum in Hyderabad. Chennai Airport is the only airport from India to feature in the top 10 global list for on-time performance. In the year 2021, it ranked 8th position. Bureau of Indian Standards celebrates its 75th establishment day on 6 January 2022. Ministry of External Affairs have selected Tata Consultancy Service for the second phase of Passport Seva program. Indian Navy has started testing the Rafale M Marine for use on its aircraft carriers. Major General Vikas Lakhera has assumed charge as the 20th Inspector General of Assam Rifle North. Shefali Verma became the brand endorser of the Bank of Baroda. Prime Minister picks Puducherry as host of National Youth Festival. India's first multi-dimensional adventure sports expedition flagged in by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh.